Hey guys!
Welcome.
I'm so glad you guys were all on time today for class. We will be doing a 8-minute hair tutorial using 8 products. Some products will be optional depending on the texture of your hair, but stick around because I'm going to show you 2 hairstyles. Whether your hair is natural or permed, this hairstyle will work. Go in with a brush around the front and the back of your hair, smoothing out your hair, then going in with a fine-tooth comb. This ensures that all of the hairs lay in place. Once you have done this, you're going to hold your hand very tightly to the base of that ponytail that you created, whether it be high, whether it be low, it doesn't matter, but you want it to stay close to your scalp. And I am telling you, I'm not going.
Bruh.
So you have both pieces of hair. Make sure that your hair matches. You're taking both packs of the 18-inch hair. It comes in half, but you're creating one long ponytail. Just run your hands through it, run your fingers through it, and grab a hair tie. You're going to double the hair tie and loop it through around the base of the hair. Once you do this, you should be able to just hold onto the hair tie and pull it and make sure that it is secure and it is tight. You are going to then hold your ponytail up and affix the hair tie onto your hair. At this point, you should have the ponytail in one hand and the fake hair in the other. It doesn't matter what's straggling or looking a little funky because this piece is going to get covered. You're just basically tying it around in a circular motion. Okay, I'm going to pause right here just for a second. I see a couple of hands raised. Yes, of course, you can do this if your hair is natural. No, it does not need to be bone straight like mine. Yes, I am going to walk you through in detail following hair. So what you're going to do is take a thin piece of the hair from the braiding hair that you have and just wrap it around as tight as possible, making it look like your hair is attached to that hair. Now, if your hair is straight like mine, you're going to want to fluff the hair as much as possible just to make it look, once again, as natural as possible. So you're flipping that hair over, and I am just literally hiding my ponytail within the false pre-stretched braiding hair with a slight twist at the top. I'm going in and I'm starting to set the Rapunzel look with the puffed long hair that's going to be hanging down on the side. Now, once you make that adjustment, you want to make sure that you have your natural hair tight and actually pinned down by one of the little rubber bands. So that's what you saw me doing there. I went ahead and I applied more little rubber bands down the entire ponytail. And now I am going to make a puff at the bottom. Of course, you can cut it to whatever length you'd like. You don't need to have a puff at the bottom, but I like the little loop down there because it just adds a little bit more class to the look, in my opinion. Now the top, this is where you want to go back in, making sure your hair is fluffed and it's looking as seamless as possible, which is what I am doing here. If your hair is natural at this point, this is when you want to take your time and just make sure that the ponytail and the false hair that you have is covering all of your hair, and you are just adjusting each little rubber band to make sure that your actual hair is fully covered by the false hair. You're going to go down each partition that you have created, just pulling the hair out and getting that fluffy look. Now it's definitely up to you if you want it to be a little bit more sleeker or if you want bigger puffs. It is all up to you by how much you pull and expand on that ponytail. And this is the look. It is very, very simple, super simple. Just follow the steps that I took you through. Grab a couple of butterfly clips. If you have claws or any little gold jewelry, just add it over every single rubber band that you have, so that way you can't really see the rubber band. And we are going in with the first look here, which is a high bun. It does not take a lot to do this, but it is a very nice, elegant look. You can add some pins to secure it a little bit more, but honestly, because it's long, the hair is fake, as long as it's wrapped, it will survive. Now, these two products right here, they are optional, but when your hair starts getting a little kinky, if you have natural hair, if you're due for a perm, these two products will get your hair laid and slayed. So this is the Eco Style Professional Gel with olive oil, and I recommend that you use this, applying it all around the base of your hair, in the front and in the back. And once you are finished and you have your ponytail set, as shown in the beginning of the video, you will go ahead and then spray this about 8 to 12 inches away from your hair, and this will keep everything in place. It is time for Rapunzel. Rapunzel, let down your long hair. Class is dismissed. Until next time.